Okay. I've changed the pump out. This is the pump that I've taken out. As you see, if I put that up here, this is one of those float switches. These float switches aren't a good design. They get caught. I don't know if that's what caused the flooding, but the pump is out. Right now we're trying to pump the basement out. Probably is going to take an hour to 2 hours to get all this out of here. Once again, I'll walk you through the rooms. As you can see, you can hear the water. This is the amount of damage that can be caused by one simple pump going out. With no battery backup for protection. Let's see. Go back through here again. I'm trying to move things that are floating. And once again, you see we have the pump running. It's been running for a couple minutes. It's probably going to take a couple hours to actually get the water extracted from the house. There's not much more I could say, but unfortunately there was no protection in the basement.